Namaskar everyone. I hope you all are healthy and safe at home. I hope you all have given your first term exam successfully and you will be scoring very good marks. Now let us start with our new chapter, that is working of computer. We all know what is computer. I hope you all know. Yes or no? So, what is computer? Computer is an electronic device which always works on our instructions. It never uses its own mind. That means it never works its own. It needs our instructions to work. Now, we need to enter numbers, letters, pictures, instructions into the computer to make it work. And that is known as data. So I'm repeating, what is data? The data is to enter number, any letter, any picture, or any instruction into the computer to make it work. Can you see the picture? I have inserted a word WORD. You can insert any word. You can insert your name. I can insert my name also in the computer. We all have practiced in the WordPad and we have inserted our name also. Then we have inserted numbers also. You can insert any number. We can insert the picture also. I hope you all have inserted a picture in the WordPad. We have done it. Yes or no? So we can insert any picture that we want. Plus, we can give instructions to the computer. What does this instructions mean? Instruction means to tell computer to open WordPad or to tell computer to close the WordPad or to tell the computer to save our file. That means we are instructing the computer what to do. Is it okay? So what is this? This is to giving instructions, to writing letters, numbers in the computer to make it work is known as data. Now, we will be learning the basic steps that through which computer works. Computer works in three basic steps. Okay, so in how many steps computer works? In three basic steps, that is input, process, and output. Is it clear to everyone? I hope it is clear to everyone. Now it's time to learn what is input, what is process, what is output. So let us take an example of IPO cycle. What is IPO cycle? I means input, P means process, O means output. That means it comes into example of IPO cycle. Is it okay? So let's see the IPO example of IPO cycle. First, we are taking a normal example of a pencil. What we are doing, I'm having a unsharpened pencil. Can you see this? A unsharpened pencil or a blunt pencil? Okay, so what is the input over here? This is my blunt pencil is the input. What is my process? The process is sharpening my pencil. And what is the result? The sharpened pencil is the result. Can you see this? This is a daily life example that I have taken. That means input means that to input anything in the computer, what we input name, we input numbers, we input instructions to the computer. What process it do? It uses its mind to process it. And what is the result? The result means the fetched data that we get is the result. Let us take more example to understand IPO. That means input, process, and output. Let us take the example of daily life examples. That means that we are seeing on the daily basis. Let us take an example. So right now I want to make a tea. So what is the process? I have to take a kettle or a pan. It is up to me. What should I take? Okay. So I just have to take the kettle. In the kettle, I want to put the tea bags or sugar. I want to put the milk. That is the input. What is the process? The process is the kettle start boiling. Third one is what is the result? The prepared tea is the result. Let us take one more example, that is preparing a mango shake. I hope a mango shake is loved by all my students. I hope you all love mango shake or pizza. Let us learn how we make a pizza with the IPO cycle. I means input. What is the input over here? मतलब हम क्या डालेंगे? हम डालेंगे mango pulp, sugar and milk. That is the input. हमने इनपुट किस में दिया? मिक्सी में, दैट इज मिक्सी जार. मम्मा ऑलवेज मेक अ मैंगो जूस इन द मिक्सी. ओके, देन व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस? Process means मम्मा ने मिक्सी को चला दिया. That is the process. That means blending in the mixer grinder. And what is the output? The output is the mango shake that we all love to drink it. Okay. Now the next is how to IPO cycle for making a pizza. So input is pizza base, onions, capsicum, and whatever vegetable you like. So that is the input. What is process? To put all the things, put all the input on the base, and then for processing, what we will do? We'll bake our pizza in the microwave. Can you see my pizza is being baked? And what is the output? Yum, yum pizza is being prepared. That is the output. Let us take one more example. I hope you all love clay. Yes or no? So what is happening over here? The clay is the input. Process is that a child is playing with the clay. And what is the output? The output is the beautiful drawings or the toys made with the clay. Can you all see? I hope you all can see that. Now, the example of our body as a IPO. Can we see the example of our body as a IPO? Let us see it. So here is the ear, eye. This is the input. We see, we hear from our eyes and ear. This is the input. What is the process? In our mind, what happened? Whatever we listened, we hear, got processed in our brain. And what is the result? That we speak. For example, your teacher is telling you about IPO. ठीक है, यू आर लिसनिंग, तो वो कहाँ गया? आपके ब्रेन में गया. एंड व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट? इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम और इफ आई आस्क यू व्हाट इज आईपीओ साइकिल, दैट वुड बी द रिजल्ट. आई होप you all have understood about IPO cycle. We will discuss more in our next class. Bye bye all of you. Take care.